don't start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. in the cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Guess I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. Ain't gon' tell the story, shit was different with me. God's plan, God's plan. I hold back sometimes I won't, babe. I feel good when I'm alone, babe.
That's crazy.
Leave me in the studio, hey, wait. Daily self-discovery, yeah, wait. Holiday recovery, right?
He's going for a spin.
They love them instead of me. And still,
Be friends with him.
bad things. There's a lot of bad things. They wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and
I've seen that. I've been walking. I've spent my whole day looking at cars.
So it's
awesome.
nothing really special in Zurich.
It's crazy. It's a. So this is Simon's. This is Simon's 458 Italia Ferrari. What year is it?
2012.
Oh my god, sounds so good. 2012 458. How long have you owned it?
Just this year.
Oh yeah. You like it?
Awesome.
It's kind of. You said it was kind of stiff to drive.
It is, but you know you can handle it.
Right.
There's so much power, so it's heavy.
And it has a. Does it have a carbon fiber package on it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Came with it.
And then the carbon ceramic brakes are another addition on it.
I think they're all carbon.
Oh really?
Both seats are custom. They're from the 458 Speciale.
Yep. Nice. I can't
Can't
believe
really go anywhere.
Oh my gosh.
First reaction is just laughing.
What do you do?
Chinese medicine.
Oh yeah, medicine?
Yeah.
Nice.
Chinese medicine is kind of a niche market.
Like Eastern medicine stuff? Yeah. Oh look at that, is a black one.
Same one.
Yep.
See, every corner has one.
Right.
Used to be my favorite green car.
Yeah.
But then these ones are not that expensive.
Oh my god! It sounds so good. That's a factory exhaust on it?
Yeah, the 458 is actually the last Ferrari with a V8.
Oh really?
Like naturally inspired V8 engine.
Right. The 488 is the twin turbo, right?
Turbo, yeah.
Yeah.
It doesn't sound as much.
Some people are like looking at you though. You get some eye over here. Someone's attention, you know?
It's the car.
The police don't really bother you too much out here?
No, if I put an exhaust, then they would stop it. They would stop me all the time.
If you put an exhaust on this, how much louder would it be already?
5 times.
It's crazy. Yeah. Oh, they're screaming at you already.
Haters.
Are they hating on you?
Look.
He wants. I don't think he wants you to make some noise. Yeah. You were born out here, or?
I was born in Germany, now I work in Switzerland.
Nice.
On the border.
You went to university here?
In London.
London. Cool. Have you gone through all the gears before? Like been on the highway and stuff?
Not really. I don't really have time to drive it that much.
Really? Work keeps you busy, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. So do they use more Eastern medicine here?
Not really, but if you are a patient, very like sick, and you don't have any other options, they come to us. And we kind of have a niche market.
Right.
Not many do it, so they all come to us.
And you're in a group with other Eastern medicine
My
practitioners?
dad.
Oh, really? Nice. We're lost in Zurich in a Ferrari, and people are just like,
I hope your cousin doesn't mind.
no, he won't. Yeah. DJ, hope you don't mind, man. Right, because you can't go. You're like stuck in second and first like the whole time.
Still fun though.
How can you complain about you?
It's one of
What's that?
the cheaper supercars you can get.
The 458. What is it? Is it still like 200 grand, 250 grand right now?
150.
What? 150 francs.
No, 150,000.
Francs though.
Yeah. So,
So-
the same as dollars.
It's about US dollars, right?
Similar, yeah.
That's crazy. It's crazy that, like, people don't care.
Plus you see
Just
so
another
many,
day in Zurich.
Exactly.
Ferrari. I've never been a Ferrari. I've always wanted a Ferrari. Always wanted a 360, and then the 430s became more affordable. Now I guess the 458s are coming down too.
Yeah. But this is gonna be the most classic, iconic Ferrari
Because after this one, they're all twin turbo.
Yeah. Sounds very.
And the 488 doesn't have a 6-speed manual. Oh yeah. Oh, look back there. Nice. Right there.
Yeah. We don't really mind, but I think Zurich is one of the top 3 cities in the world where like people are most satisfied.
Oh really?
Like the way of life, everybody has kind of money here, and everybody's earning around 80,000 a year.
88.
88.
That's what I heard. It's a comfortable average.
I haven't really touched the radio.
It's been on that since you got it.
Yeah, I got the car from an Arabian dealer.
Oh yeah.
He customized the car with new seats, racing seats,
Yeah, I noticed
black
that
rims.
when I was looking at it when you walked away. I was like, wow, he's got like
They look kinda
5-point
cool.
harness and everything. This is dope. That's Simon.